guys, I'm going to try something I saw on TikTok. I'm sure a few of you have seen this TikTok hack where you take Oreos and 2 other ingredients and make a cake inside of a cup inside your microwave. Let's see what we can do. So apparently all you do is you take 7 Oreos, crush them up. Looks about right. Take your cup, take your crushed up Oreos, and maybe a little bit more crushed. That's better. Dump them in. Might have needed a bigger cup. That's okay. There you go. Excuse the mess. Then you just take, in the recipe it says milk. I'm just going to use some almond milk because I like chocolate almond milk. You go ahead and you pour it in. There you go. Didn't really say how much to use. Then you grab a fork and you want to mash it all up. Until there's no clumps left. Gonna need some more milk for this. There we go. Mash it up, stir it up. There, we're starting to get somewhere. And I don't know if you guys can see, but that's kind of what we're looking like here. We got a bit of I don't even know what that looks like. That looks about right. I don't see too many more clumps left. And all you're supposed to do is take a little bit of baking powder. And I'm not going to measure again. Add some baking powder into this, which makes sense, I guess, cake. Looks about right. Give that a good stir in. Looks like that. And then you're just going to go ahead and pop this into the microwave for, I believe it said 60 to 70 seconds. So come on back and we'll see how it turned out. Sorry guys, I was wrong. It's actually 70 to 90 seconds is what the what it says. So this is what you're looking like. Like I said, nice and liquidy, I guess. We're just going to take this over here. Excuse the mess. Set this up in here. And we're going to set box for, I'm going to go for 90 because why not? And we'll see how this turns out. And we're almost done. And let you guys see exactly what I see as I pull it out. I've never done this before, so watch out, the handle might be hot. Okay, yeah. Yeah, we got something here. Nice and steamy. Kind of smells like cake. And let's take the old fork. Yeah, it actually cooked. It's almost like a brownie going on here. I guess that actually worked. But let's give it a try. Just watch out, this could be a little bit hot, but everything looks not bad. Tastes like an Oreo, but a very moist brownie at the same time. That's actually really good. Thanks for tuning in, guys.